All right, how to set up your LinkedIn profile so it brings clients to you. Let's hop right into it. So, our profile setup checklist. One thing that I want to mention before getting into this, if you use LinkedIn like a resume and not a landing page, it's only going to hurt yourself because if people just see resume, you say, I build apps or I've done this or I've done that, and you don't say, I help this exact person. I help them by doing this, and this is what I want you to do next. You're only hurting yourself. Use it as a sales mechanism. So let's hop right into it. So, banner, state who you serve, state the core result that you provide, and add a clear CTA. And by the way, I recommend using the link of me and my LinkedIn as a frame, as a basis. So, pretty obvious. Who do I help? How do I do it? What do I do? So, how do I do it? I use a LinkedIn funnel. What do I do? I bring you high ticket clients. What should you do? Come book a call with me. Simple. Don't make it complicated. 95 to 95, 95 to 99% of LinkedIn creators, it isn't simple. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know who you help. Just keep it simple. Down the road, I am going to make this more beautiful, but right now, I'm just keeping it simple. Second, profile picture. Again, very simple. Just make it clear, smile, put a monotone background, use, a light green, a light blue. I want to tie mine to making money, so I made it green. Headline. So the three things are who you help, should be very self-explanatory. Right there. What you help them do, right there. How you do it, four things. What you help them do, bring you high ticket clients. How do I do it? LinkedIn funnel. What do I want you to do? Book a call below. This is important. Tell people what you want them to do, or else they're not going to do anything. And then contact information. This is pretty simple. Just in your contact info, just have either your website or have your booking link. Like I have my booking link. And then the about section. So this is going to be a little bit more in depth than your headline, but it's still very simple and you want to keep it very, very shallow. So we're going to have who I help, what I do for them, how I do it, a few tidbits on what else I do. So you just go into a little bit more depth of what you do, bring you more leads, bring you high quality leads, increase your close rate. I need to add because I warm up your leads before using LinkedIn. And then you also build trust and authority. Want me to do it for you using a LinkedIn funnel? Same thing. Book a call with me. CTA, very simple. This is very simple. Keep everything simple. I'm going to keep saying it. You want it to be clear, simple, and easily understandable. I'm getting fired up about this right now. And then the featured section. So down here, you want to have either your website or your booking link, and then you want to have one very good resource, and then you can also do a piece of credibility. I kind of tied mine into both because I'm using LinkedIn to help people bring clients to themselves, and I'm kind of using not only a high quality resource, which you should check out, but also I'm showing people that I can actually do what I say I can do. 1,300 comments, 65,000 impressions, just showing people I can actually do what I say I can do. And then experience section, you want to say what you do or who you help, what you do, how you do it. You don't need to give them a CTA in your experience section. It's really not necessary. Another example is who I helped, commercial property managers, help them save 15 hours a month using AI routing system. Very simple. Just give credibility, show them what you've previously done, and then what you're doing right now. And then that's it. Who you help, what you do, how it's done, call to action. Simple beats complex. This is costing so many people tens of thousands of dollars just because people don't know what to do. They don't know where to go. This relates to other things, but simplicity on your LinkedIn and then also, consistency posting. But having a clear LinkedIn profile, I don't see it in 95 to 99% of people, and it baffles me. And so I thought it was simple, but I just had to make this video and just show people that, like, think about it. If somebody goes to your LinkedIn profile and they see AI enthusiast, I like cars, like, yay. But you don't know what to do. You don't know who they help. You don't know how you do it. And you don't know what to do. And so nobody ends up going to your profile. And so it's a small thing, but it has a very big impact. I'm going to stop rambling. If you want the full setup guide, I have templates that you can drop into your LinkedIn profile, as well as a AI that helps you build out your full LinkedIn profile. It's going to be linked in right here. The video is going to show up right here. And then I also have the full checklist right here. I really look forward to it. Also, make sure to hop into the Discord if you have any questions about building your LinkedIn profile. I would love to help you out. It's the best social media platform for you to go and get clients, either low ticket, medium ticket, high ticket. I'm going to stop rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.